Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of using aloe vera on your hair. From nourishing your scalp to promoting hair growth, aloe vera is a natural wonder. First things first, let's talk about why aloe vera is so amazing for your hair. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Here's how you can use it. Simply cut open a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel directly to your scalp and massage it gently. This helps to stimulate blood circulation and unclog hair follicles. Then apply the remaining gel to the length of your hair, focusing on the ends. This helps to moisturize and nourish your strands, leaving them soft and shiny. Now let's talk about some DIY aloe vera hair masks you can try at home. Mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and honey for a deep conditioning treatment. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing for silky smooth hair. For an anti-dandruff mask, blend aloe vera gel with yogurt and lemon juice. The aloe vera soothes the scalp, while the lemon juice fights dandruff-causing bacteria. You can also use aloe vera juice as a leave-in conditioner. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and spritz it onto your hair for added hydration throughout the day. Now let's address some common questions about using aloe vera on hair. Can aloe vera help with hair loss? Yes, aloe vera's enzyme content promotes hair growth and can help reduce hair fall. Is it safe to leave aloe vera in your hair overnight? Absolutely. Leaving aloe vera in your hair overnight can enhance its benefits. Just be sure to cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid making a mess. Another fantastic way to incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine is by using it as a pre-shampoo treatment. Before washing your hair, apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair, focusing on any areas of dryness or irritation. Allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before shampooing as usual. This pre-treatment helps to hydrate and condition your hair, leaving it softer and more manageable after washing. If you're dealing with frizz or flyaways, aloe vera can also come to the rescue. Simply rub a small amount of aloe vera gel between your palms and gently smooth it over the surface of your hair to tame any unruly strands. This natural alternative to traditional styling products not only helps to keep frizz at bay, but also adds a healthy shine to your hair without weighing it down. Plus, with its moisturizing properties, aloe vera helps to prevent further damage and breakage, leaving your hair looking sleek and polished all day long. And there you have it! Aloe vera is truly a hair care hero, offering a myriad of benefits for your locks. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dandruff, or simply want to promote healthy hair growth, aloe vera has got you covered. Give these tips a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful hair. Thank you for watching.